Areta mutugo na riendekithia ria gatiba mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni arekereirie ndumiriri igi mwerekera wa bururi umuthi. Ri ndumiriri yake ya mbere kuma ehitithio kuoya matamu ma wathani igwa itena ria keri. President akihuthira ndumiriri umuthi guthingata a Kenya kuhimbiria urumwe na gutiganiria mirugamo ya ngurani ya kiuteti. We mwene agitongoria na gucunga muhera kuri mundu kana gikundi o giothe agikorwo ahitiirie hindi ya uteti wa githurano kihituku.
And since leadership is best done not by extorting, but by example, let me do as I have asked you all to do today and say that if there is anything I said last year that hurt or wounded you, if I damaged the unity of the country in any way, I ask you to forgive me and to join me and to join me in repairing that harm.
Mwinino wake munini wa President William Ruto hari ndumiriri yake ya gucunga muhera. Augite ni acungite muhera kuri mundu o wothe agikorwo ahitiirie na njira imwe kana ingi. Ruto agathie na mbere kuga hake mwene ni arikitie kuhera aria othe mamuhitiirie na kurikiriria na kuga reke tunyitane hari gwaka ndaraca cia urata na urumwe. Muhera uyu ugiuka ciumia nini thutha wa President gwikiranira ngirimiti ya kurutithania wira na mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga. Githi cia wiguano uyu igitambio nginyagia cikaro-ini cia bunge.
Neither peace nor unity are a given. We must work for them. I say so because I believe last year taught me, that if we don't put an end to unrestrained political competition, it will put an end to Kenya.
President akirigirira kuhuthira riera riega ria kiuteti bururi-ini makiria hari gukinyaniria itugi cia Kenya cio wa na mbere kuona riu atongoria na a Kenya kuma ituri ciothe mararia na kayo kamwe kurumirira kuhoroha kwa rugari wa kiuteti.
Your independence.
President akihiuka guteaniria mateta megie kuhuka kwa mungethaniro bururi-ini akiuga ngirimiti iyo mekiraniire ndiugite gwitikirania na kindu giothe thirikari ireka indi akaruta mweke kuri mungethaniro kurutaga thirikari mahitia haria mona hate guthii uria kwagiriire.
We hope to emphasize that collaboration comprises both competition and disagreement. We did not immediately solve all Kenya's most pressing problems.
Kuma ngirimiti yake na mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga nginyagia umuthi agicunga muhera kuri bururi. Riu mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni onekete gutacukia makinya ma mbere hari gutigirira na nyitithania bururi makiria mbere yake kuma wathani-ini gwa itena ria keri. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma cikaro cia bunge. Jitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.